Xin chào, welcome back to Cooking with Chang. Today I'm going to show you guys another way to eat mushrooms. We're gonna make fried mushroom spring rolls. These are what I have for today, these ingredients. And soybean oil, fish sauce. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna soak the black fungus mushrooms in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, I'm starting to cut all of other ingredients. I'm starting with the keen brown mushrooms. Just cut them into long stripes. You can totally replace the mushrooms I'm using today by other mushrooms as long as they're not too watery. The next one is the white peach mushroom. I also cut them into stripes. Now we keep going with the onion. I'm making the amount for one person, so I will just need a half of this onion. I also cut it into small stripes. Just put all of them together in one bowl. And now the carrot. The next thing is the fungus, the black fungus mushroom. You need to cut the root and then wash them again. Then we can also chop them off as small as possible. I'm moving to the purple onions. Also peeling them off and chop them off as well. With the green onions, separate them into the white part and the green part. With the white part, I cut into short pieces, and the green one I cut into longer pieces. Now we start with recook the mixture we have. Heating up some oil, then we fry the white part of the onions until they get brown, and continue frying with all of the ingredients that we already cut off. The last thing is the green onion. I add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix them all together, and now we just cool them off in a bowl. While waiting, I'm making the sauce for dipping later. I'm using garlic, ginger, and chili. The idea of the sauce is it will be a little bit spicy from the chili and the ginger, and the salty part from fish sauce, a little bit sweet from sugar, and a little bit sour from the kumquat I'm using now. You can replace the kumquat by lime juice or lemon juice, but I prefer kumquats because of their really good smell. If you can't eat fish sauce, you can replace by soya sauce. However, as you know, Vietnamese cooking is about fish sauce. We add fish sauce to almost every dish. Now I'm adding some drinking water. Then a spoon of fish sauce. Here you go, the sauce is done. Now I add 1 chicken egg into the bowl of the mushrooms and other ingredients. Mix them fry together. Now the most important step is to roll the spring rolls. I'm using the special kind of rice paper. If you can't find them in the shop in your place, you can replace by other rice paper. You see, this one has 2 sides, the rough one and the smooth one. So we put the rough side inside and the smooth one outside. With other kinds of rice papers, they might get burnt easier than this one. And with this kind of rice paper, you don't need to wet them. Put a certain amount of things inside, and while rolling, make sure that you have to roll as tight as possible. Here it is, first one. For one person, 10 rolls are usually enough. Just make more, as much as you can eat. Now the last step is to fry them. Make sure the oil covers at least a half of the spring rolls, and you fry them in the medium heat. Getting done. To eat with the fried spring rolls, you can eat with salad or even some cucumbers or tomatoes or some herbs as well. Today I have some salad and some cilantros. Some people do eat them with rice noodles or even steamed rice. Now enjoy. Thank you for watching my video, and see you again in the next videos. Bye.